In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a low beam bulb on your Scion XB. This is going to be located in the engine bay. Let's get started. We're going to reach our hand in and push on the tab, pull straight back, and remove the connector off of the bulb. Give the bulb a twist, and pull it straight out. Install the bulb into place, get it lined up, and twist it down until it locks. When you wiggle it, you should have no wiggle at all. Grab the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.